Hey all, Dr. Sydney here, and congratulations, you have made it to week 7. And this is a great week because this means that you are practically halfway through the term. Can you even believe it? Listen, I've just finished grading a lot of your papers. I'm very pleased with the majority of your work. I am seeing a bunch of improvement, so keep it up. Remember that if you don't like what your grade's doing right now, it's probably because you're not submitting all of your assignments. So the best way that you can ensure that you're passing the class is make sure that you're including all of the assignments that are due for you this week on Canvas. The last thing that I want to remind you is please, please, please take a time to go through and look at your papers when I return them. I write your comments on both the rubric and on the paper itself. And I want you to be able to take a look at those things, read through them, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me and let me know so I can get them answered for you. Anyway, again, congratulations. You've made it to week 7. It's going to be a great week, and I look forward to reading your work this coming week. All right, take care. Bye.